Welcome back. There is a lot of stocks which are in news, so let's get talking about them. IDBI Bank is in focus. It is surging after the market regulator SEBI agreed to classify the government's post-stake sale holding as public shareholding. Abhishek is here to tell us more details with regards to this. Abhishek, tell us.
Ekta, as you mentioned, bank will write to exchanges to classify government holding as public holding after the divestment takes place. So the new acquirer of the bank will meet the public shareholding norm of minimum 25% post the transaction. So post divestment, Government of India will not exercise over the affairs of IDBI Bank. They will not have any special rights with respect to the bank, and they will not have any representative on the board of the bank or as key managerial person in the bank. So voting rights of Government of India will be capped at not more than 15% of the total voting rights, and reclassification as public with respect to open offer being made by the new acquirer. This is the update on IDBI Bank. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So that's the IDBI Bank stock in focus as well. But a couple of other stocks from the realty pack which are buzzing around in trade. That is because of their quarter 3 operational update. We have Sobha, which is in focus because it has achieved the highest ever quarterly sales value and volumes as well. It's a growth with the company both on a quarter-on-quarter and on a YY basis. The sales value has gone up by 15%. The value as well is higher for the company. So volumes up by 12% at 1.47 million square feet. We also have the price realization, which has gone up substantially, a 22% increase on a sequential basis. There is an increase of 11% on a YY basis, and across the board we saw big gains coming in. While Bengaluru continues to remain the big geography for the company, this time around there was a fall, but it's the NCR region which saw a massive increase this time. Kerala was flat, but there was some growth in the gift city as well, and Tamil Nadu also did well today. Company says projects from other cities have contributed to 40% of the total sales volumes. This is other than Bengaluru. Gurgaon has achieved its highest ever quarterly sale this time around, and also that cash flows were very strong during the quarter, and it has led to a net debt reduction. It's the 8th quarter of net debt reduction that the company has seen. Macrotech as well, strong set of numbers this time around. The sales have increased on a YY basis, slight decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Collections are higher as well, and net debt for the company has reduced as well. So we'll watch out for their 6,000 crore rupees of net debt guidance for FY23 as well. 9 months as well, very strong. Pre-sales are up 62%, collections are up 33%. Pre-sales in 9 months is more than FY22, and they say that they will be able to actually exceed that 11,500 crore rupee in terms of guidance. Collections too strong in the 9-month period as well. They added 4 new projects, 5 million square feet of saleable area with a gross development value of around 8,500 crore rupees. Also, they have already surpassed their guidance of gross development area addition of 15,000 crore rupees, because right now it stands at 17,800 crore rupees. The stock is lower in trade, but yes, the update from the company is really strong this time.
All right, thanks a lot for that. That's about the realty space. Let's talk about an insight edge coming in. This is on Mukand. It is basically doing well after it's completed the sale of its land in Thane. 800 crore rupees is what the company received. Let's talk about Nigel, who's tracking Mukand right now. Nigel, we spoke with the management as well.
Well, that's right, Mangalam. This land sale in the Thane district was announced in 2021. In 2022, they went ahead and they received part of this amount. So the total consideration was around 800 crores. 20% was received in March 2022. So the remainder, that 640 crores, well, that comes into their books. We spoke to the management earlier today, and obviously when they're getting money from a non-core asset, it will be used to reduce debt. And they've gone ahead and they've quantified that. So the debt number will come down to around 1,400 crores odd. As of the last disclosed number, it was in that vicinity of around 2,100 crores odd. So it's going to come down to around 1,400 crores. This is long-term and working capital put it together. And also they said that in terms of interest cost, per quarter they are spending close to around 45 crores. Now on a yearly basis, they'll save close to around 80 crores, which is good news. Besides that, they'll also give us an update on their operational performance. They're saying that they're doing close to around 1,500 crores per quarter, which is visible. They'll end the year with close to around 6,000 crores, which is very, very gettable. And margins, which had plunged in the last quarter, it's likely to improve from here on. Not just that, if demand is good, then maybe they could increase their sales by close to around 1,000 crores at minimal capex. So all eyes on that, whether in the next couple of years, it could grow from here on as well. In fact, on that note, let's hear out what the management, Mr. Bajaj, who's the new promoter of the company, had to tell us earlier today.
big issue in Mukund was the high debt. So this will reduce our debt by about 800 crores. So we were, if you look at 2 years back, our total debt was about, that short-term, long-term all combined, was about 3,500 crores. Now, actually, it comes down to about after this 800 crores has come in yesterday, it comes down to about 1,000 crores. We hope to cross a top line of 6,000 crores. And we are absolutely on track to do that. Obviously, if debt comes down by 800 crores and the marginal cost of, say, interest rate is about 10%, we straight away save 80 crores, which goes to the bottom line. Margins, we are finding improvement quarter by quarter.
Okay, so that is Mukund. That stock is up around 3 to 4% at this point in time. Market cap of just under around 2,000 odd crores. Before we take a short break, just wanted to point out two stocks, Alembic as well as Zydus Life. Both of them are in focus on account of launches as well as approvals in the US. Alembic has launched the generic version of a drug, Tovia's generic, and it is used to treat an overactive bladder. Market size is $177 million, so positive news there. And Zydus Life has launched a drug which is used to treat epilepsy in the US. Market size is quite significant, $488 million, so do watch out for that one as well. Need to take a short break, but technicals on the other side. Stay tuned.